Rolling.
Hey everyone, Ben with Sewer Roundtable Review. So as any of y'all have watched my videos, you kind of notice that most of it's geared towards drain cleaning and sewer inspection work. I don't do very much plumbing, and the reason why is even though I'm still a licensed plumber, I just have stopped doing plumbing. And in any case, back when I did, I would have to, of course. Now, what is the best way to remove and put on those water heaters without damaging the pan? Well, about 4 years ago, I learned about a hand truck right here, okay, special shaped, and what it does, it is what I found to be the best way to lift a water heater. So here's what we're going to do today. I'm going to do a demonstration to, instead of telling you guys about it, just rather show it to you. But I'm out of practice, haven't done this in a while, so I think what might be better, let's switch off on the cameras, and I want to have the guy who invented it come on out, and he's going to do the demonstration. Go ahead, Dave, you're up.
Dave Smith, HotRodHandTruck.com. Best way to lift a water heater.
All right, let's see it. So before we get started, I just want the viewer to see this. So this is a real water heater, and what I want the viewer to look for, because it gets asked, or it's a concern, are does this water heater, or does this cart damage the water heater? So go ahead. So you're loosening your grip there, and that just slid right on down. Now, if you go on YouTube, Dave, keep going. If you go on YouTube and you look up the best way to lift a water heater, Dave has a huge video library of maybe 100 plus videos doing, different demonstration, different size water heaters. What if there's a bollard in the way? Or what if it's in a closet? Or what if it's whatever? Check out his YouTube channel, and I'm sure that there'll be something that you can find that applies to your situation. And then you can decide if this water heater cart is good for you. But here in SoCal, this is a slam dunk for our setup. This really does work well, especially if you work by yourself. And all this stuff is included in the kit?
2 straps and a fender.
Got it.
Plus a bag and a hand truck.
So the reason why this water heater works so well is because Dave actually does this for a living. He's not an engineer. He's an actual plumber. Installs water heaters for a living. Just like me and my drain cleaning, I come up with these crazy ideas because I do it for a living. So before we leave, let me just move that, just so the viewer could see. No damage.
The old one will ding, but the plastic protects the new one.
Yeah,
guaranteed.
So, Dave, thank you for doing this. How do we find you?
HotRodHandTruck.com, or give me a call, 951-609-4276.
Let's see it. Turn around. There you go. Hey, everyone, Sewer Roundtable Review signing out.
Thanks, Ben.